Hacienda Ribbit here. Today we're going to make something delicious that I just learned about, about a week or two ago. We are going to make caramelized onion pasta. Yeah, that's it. And it promises to be tasty. So let's get cooking. As you can see, we're going to need a crap ton of onions and garlic, but there's a method to my madness. With a very sharp knife, we're going to start out by chopping the onions, pretty much like this. After you have plopped your onions into a nice bowl like this, you're going to add a fair amount of Hungarian sweet paprika and some Italian seasoning. How about this crap ton of garlic, huh? Yeah, those are going to cook down and make little nuggets of happiness. And finally, 1 jar, 8.5 ounces of julienne sun-dried tomatoes with their oil. Okay, they'll come out eventually. Now, utilizing your hands or a pair of tongs, we're going to mix all this together until everything is nicely coated. Transfer it into a roasting pan or casserole. We're going to cover it and roast it in a 400-degree Fahrenheit oven for an hour. Righto, an hour in the oven. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like. Ooh, I don't think they're ready. Okay, they look delicious and smell fantastic, but they are not caramelized to my liking. So they're going back into the oven for another 45 minutes. All right, so a total of an hour and 45 minutes. This looks beautiful and smells fantastic. So I got the water boiling. Let's make the pasta. The pasta is now ready. So we are going to add it like so. And if there's pasta water in there, that's fine. No worries. That'll help create a beautiful sauce. And what we want to do is just incorporate that like so into this deliciousness. So yeah, this is smelling fantastic. Join me in a bit. And here we have a delicious bowl of that pasta. The caramelized onion, the tomatoes, and those little wads of garlic. Absolutely fantastic. Now, we're going to put some grated Parmesan cheese on it. Not only for beautification purposes, but for flavor. That is really, really good. All right, let's get a fork and dig into that. Okay. Oh my goodness. Full disclosure, I love angel hair pasta. It's my favorite pasta, I guess. Look at that. Oh my. Oh. The sweetness of those tomatoes and onions. Just impeccable. This is a very frugal dish. Very simple to make. Very tasty and filling. And we got whole wads of garlic in here, I know that. Oh, here's one. It's kind of mushed up. Let's try it. Those whole garlics turn into little pillows that dissolve on your tongue. Absolutely delightful. I'll make this again. Thanks for watching, people. Y'all take care.